to using it for the adhesive bead. So now I'm gonna go ahead, and it was okay. Let me close this one really quick because we have a big chains right here and some frames. I'm gonna go ahead and close this in the needle ends. I'm gonna go ahead and use the brush, precision brush, and from the precision glue gel, and pick up some precision glue gel. Just don't load too much because you don't want to flood your crystal when you are going to seal your chains right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and seals all and tie the chains from the nails. I think it's good, and it's not dry yet. This with the precision glue gel, you are definitely want to key it under the LED lights. I'm just doing both at the same time because right now I have the precision brushes open, so I'm gonna use this one and key it and seal this as well. So now I'm gonna close it really tight. Make sure it's tight. You don't want it leaking because you are not screw it tight. And then I am going to using the precise on the needles, and I'm gonna check all the edges between the crystals, around crystal right here. And then when you feel so scratchy right here, you're gonna squeeze just a little bit in, just little, go a long way. You don't want to use too much to flood your crystal. So I'm gonna seal it in. And then remember, you can go back many times as you needed it. Just make sure you give it a little quick 30 seconds here. So now with the 3D crystal, really like a really nice and big size of crystal, make sure you are going to key this completely 2 minutes and ask the client to tilt their fingers back and forth. So then the LED lights will able to kiss pretty much every single edges and the corner of the 3D cluster right here. All right, so Kia, that's one. And then we are going to moving to this beauties right here. I did seal the top and all the frames right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and check, doing a little quick exam around, check, and then seals it in. I love this flower so much. It's so adorable. You can get it from like $5 in your arts, like really simply. I got it from my Easter collectible mix bags. Get some of different flowers. All right, so here's the looks before I key this one. There you go.